So what's up guys, and welcome to another video right here. So in this video I'm just going to be giving you guys a new way in which you could open an international TikTok account. But first thing you want to do the first thing you want to do is first create a Gmail account, which I will basically say create a Gmail that doesn't have or doesn't need you to verify with your number. That's the one thing, very first thing. And this method only works when you're with your laptop. I'm going to be showing you another one that works with your phone, basically the same thing though, but this one is just for the laptop. Now first thing I want to do is I want to create a new Gmail right here, and I'm just gonna put right here um and Chrome profile. This is what I do, and then click on where it says sign in. And where it says sign in right here, I'm going to click on where it says create account for my personal use. I'm just going to put in a name right here. So I'm just going to put in right here Hubert. Then we hit on next. I'm going to put in date of birth right here. Put in my gender. Click on next. And the next part is choosing your email. So I love this one, but let me just create my own. Let's try Hubert B. Okay, that's already go. Try 55. And then we'll just put in our password right here. So you can see it right here. This is not going to need us to do anything like put in your numbers. I'm just going to skip this. Then we'll click on next. And right here our Gmail is actually created. Alright, so I'm not gonna sync that. I'll just pick any color. Use this color. Then done. So you can see that I've created the Gmail account, and you can see that we did not use any number. So I would advise you to just use your Chrome to create your Gmail account as one. And then the next method is that we aren't going to use Chrome again, and the next thing we are going to need is that we are going to need the VPN. But we are not going to download any VPN at all. The browser we are going to be using for this is going to be the Opera browser right here, because it has a built-in VPN. So I was actually trying this, like looking for this method, and I'm going to show you why this method is the best. But I think the only account you're going to have is a TikTok United States account. So now what you want to do is that if you have the Opera browser right here, is that you want to come to where it says Opera right here, and you want to go to where it says settings. So when you reach on settings, you want to type in the search bar like this. You want to type in VPN. So it will bring you to this page where you see enable VPN. So mine was off. Then I toggled it on. And then after toggle it on, the only thing that is going to be on below here is going to be this one that says enable default search engine bypass. So what you're going to do is that you're going to toggle this other one, connect to VPN when starting browser automatically. Toggle it on also. So to know that this actually is working is that you're going to see where it's written VPN right here. And when you tap on that VPN, you're going to see that your browsing is secured, and this is the location it is. So you can change this location. You could see like This is the optimal location, which is United States. You can see Americans, you can see Asia, you can see Europe. So you can use anyone you want to use. All these locations are actually free locations. So now if we go back right here, and we type in what is my IP address.com and open that, it's going to load up our IP address right here. It's checking it. And then when we tap on it, you will see our location right here. So this is to know that your stuff is actually working, that your VPN is working. So you can see our IP address right here, 246 point. This thing is actually United States, Virginia, Ashburn, the city. So now what I want to do is I want to click on open on the TikTok app. Just click on tiktok.com. After opening that, just give this time to load a bit. So after doing that, you want to click on where it says here log in. So if we tap on there where it says log in right here, it's going to take us to this page. And right here in this page is that you want to click on where it says use phone / email / username. So you can see that it showed us US +1. That's to show that our VPN is actually working. If our VPN wasn't working, it would have showed us our country right here. So now I want to click on where it says sign up. So in the sign up place, we want to use where it says use phone or email. Then we'll come here, we'll put in our date of birth, put in the day right here, and then we'll put in the year. Are you seeing this? And then where it says phone right here, we don't want to use phone because we don't have a US phone number. But if you want me to show you how to get a US phone number for a very cheap price, then I can show you that also. So you just leave a comment below for that. You want to click on where it says sign up with email. So we are going to put in that email address in which we created newly. And you can remember that the email address did not have a location on it. So we are going to use philbert.b. We're going to put in our password. You can see right here, and then we are going to tell them to send a code to that email address. So this is so now we are going to go into that account right here, open our Gmail so that we can get that the code. This be fast. 126917. 126917. So we are going to hit on where it says next right here. So look at what it's telling us. So we are just going to wait so that they can resend this stuff again. 126917. 126917. So the same maximum number of attempts, we try again later. So I don't know why they are saying this actually. So we are just gonna let me give them some time. Then we'll resend the new code again. All right. 126917. That's still sending me the same code like they did 2 days ago.
126.917. 126.917. Yeah. If this doesn't work, I'll be so upset. Right, so you can see it actually worked. So I'm not going to save this password. And then we are going to use our username right here. And then click where it says sign up. And that's it right there. We are done. We are logged in. So this is exactly how to create an international TikTok account. So you can see that this is quite easy and actually very, very simple to do. Right. Right. So head on to where it says more right here. Log out, log in, create TikTok effects, sell on TikTok shop. Now, this is one thing you're going to know. Sell on TikTok shop. This to show us that this account is actually a United States account. So if you scroll here right now, you see live shopping, promote posts, view analytics, but this one is different. This one everybody has it, but this right here is number one thing that will show you is you are using an international TikTok account. So you can see right here the TikTok shop. You can, buy anything or do anything you want to do right here. But that is that for this. This is exactly how to create a United States TikTok account. Now, in order for you to post on this account, I'm going to be showing you how to post on this account. Now, you don't want anything, leading back to the fact that you're in Nigeria or something like that. So you can't listen very well. You can't log in this account to your phone. If you want to upload a video or post a video, you have to do it directly from this account. So you can see that there are so many things right here that can show that this United States account, this promote posts on your normal account is not there. On your normal account, it isn't there. So let me open settings. I think they should show us a place that has to do with monetization. Okay, business accounts. Switch that one since I'm using this for business. Well, without any further ado, this is the end of this video. So I've showed you exactly and a very good means, a free VPN you can use, very, very free, to open your TikTok account, your United States based TikTok account. Thanks, guys. And make sure to leave a like and also leave a follow on this video.